Okay, you will get a nice big juicy pineapple. Then I'm gonna take this pineapple the easiest way out the skin. This is all normal. Just get my pineapple out of the skin. Make some nice slices. The knife is not big because I want it to be a bigger knife. It's so cheap in the store. This is like $2.99. So the knife is not as big as I want it to be. I use everything of my pineapple. I use my pineapple, my sweet and sour. I get the chunk, leave the skin to make a juice. And some nice slices. So after that, I'm gonna fix the skin with some ginger. Let's make a juice. So let's add one at a time. I'm gonna take out the buttons, garlic. Outside the buttons. It's not wasted because I'm gonna use it to make a juice. I'm going to set it overnight. See some nice edible slices. Nice and ripe. Bought like 4 days ago. I didn't go long not getting the pineapple out. Just also a pineapple walk. I need to go to Jamaica and go to that field. My dad used to have so much pineapple. We go sometime and also reach them before we go. Nice slices, nice chunks. So I brush it before I started. So I'm going to make a juice for my stomach. Get the pineapple from the store is best. You put it down for a while so the juice can set into it. You know? I smell the aroma. It's pineapple. I'm telling you. It's some nice slices and nothing is waste, you know. When to get to it before it gets spoiled, you know. A real chunky one and a big one. Nothing please. Knife is not as big. I'm a powerful woman, so just cut the hair out of it. That's it. You get a big bowl of pineapple for the fridge. A big bowl of pineapple. And you get the cuttings for your juice. Better get some ginger. Raw ginger is expensive to put in it. And then set it overnight while I drink. Sometimes some of the chunk I do it like with carrot, mango. I have Eastern and I bring from my farm. I can imagine the mangoes dropping like crazy. I sell, I did everything with them. So there's nothing else I can do because I couldn't be there all the time, I'm in trouble. And that place already, so uh, pineapple is set and ready for the fridge. I'm just going to plastic wrap it and put it up. This is how I get my pineapple out of our skin. Nice and easy. So I'm going to set up some ginger. If I tell you blend some ginger. Pineapple for the road.